Top 8 Home Remedies for Sleep Apnea. Sleep apnea can be caused by blocked or narrowed airways in your nose, mouth or throat. It can also occur when the brain fails to transmit signals to your breathing muscles. Sleep apnea is a very common sleep disorder in which a person's breathing is interrupted or even stopped involuntarily while sleeping. It can last for 10 seconds or more and may occur hundreds of times a night. Common signs and symptoms of sleep apnea are poor quality of sleep, excessive daytime sleepiness, loud snoring, episodes of breathing cessation during sleep that is witnessed by another person, waking up gasping for breath, dry mouth, headaches upon waking up, insomnia and attention problems. Other factors that put you at increased risk are being older than 60, obesity, thick neck circumference, narrow throat, heart diseases, family history, regular intake of alcohol, sedatives or tranquilizers, excessive smoking and nasal congestion. Left untreated, sleep apnea can lead to many health problems like high blood pressure, heart diseases, stroke, diabetes and depression. So, if you have sleep apnea, get it properly treated. Along with conventional treatment, you can try some home remedies and lifestyle changes to reduce sleep apnea symptoms. Sleep apnea affects more than 18 million Americans. Sleep apnea can affect anyone, including children. However, it affects males more than females and particularly African American and Hispanic males. One. Garlic. Garlic is another good home remedy for treating sleep apnea. Its anti-inflammatory property helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory system, thus making your breathing easier when you sleep. It also helps alleviate enlarged tonsils and prevents snoring. Eat 2 to 3 cloves of garlic on an empty stomach followed by a glass of water. Repeat daily until the inflammation and symptoms subside. Also, include garlic in your cooking or take garlic supplements after consulting your doctor. 2. Peppermint. Peppermint is an excellent herb to reduce airway blockages. Its anti-inflammatory property helps reduce inflammation, which in turn promotes easy and smooth breathing. Peppermint also works well to prevent snoring. Add a few drops of peppermint oil to a glass of water and then gargle with it. Do this daily before going to bed. You can also drink a few cups of peppermint tea daily. To make the tea, add 1 tablespoon of crushed peppermint leaves to a cup of hot water. Cover and steep for 10 minutes. Strain and add some honey. Drink it while the tea is still warm. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has sedative properties that can help you sleep better and treat breathing problems associated with sleep apnea. Those who are taking other medications should consult a doctor before taking cinnamon. Add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and a medium-sized cinnamon stick to 1 cup of hot water. Boil it for a few minutes, strain and add some honey. Drink it daily before going to bed. Alternatively, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder in a cup of hot water. Drink it once daily. You can also prepare a paste of cinnamon powder and water and apply it on your forehead and chest. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse it off with water. Use as needed to open blocked passages. 4. Lavender. Lavender is another well-known remedy to help deal with sleep apnea symptoms. Its soothing, sedative and relaxing nature prevents muscle obstruction in the throat, which helps you enjoy quality sleep. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a tub of hot water and inhale the steam before bedtime. Another option is to put a few drops of the oil on a tissue and tuck it under your pillow, or simply add a few drops of lavender oil into the diffuser before going to bed. You can also add 2 teaspoons of dried lavender buds to a cup of hot water. Cover and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and add some honey. Drink it 2 or 3 times a day. 5. Honey. Honey is useful in treating sleep apnea. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling around the throat area that can obstruct airways. In addition, it lubricates the throat to prevent snoring, one of the most common symptoms of sleep apnea. Honey also promotes sleep and relaxation. Moreover, it helps maintain healthy body weight and prevent obesity. Losing weight is an important step for the treatment of sleep apnea. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey to a glass of warm water and drink it daily before going to bed. Another option is to mix 1 teaspoon each of honey and black pepper powder in a glass of warm water. Sip it slowly before going to bed. To lose weight, drink a glass of warm water with 1 tablespoon of honey and the juice of a half lemon on an empty stomach daily in the morning. 6. Chamomile. Another effective herbal treatment for sleep apnea is chamomile. The herb contains chemical compounds that can relax muscles and nerves, cause sedation and promote sleepiness. In addition, its anti-inflammatory effects can help get rid of obstruction of the airways that cause snoring. Add 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile to a cup of hot water. Cover and steep for 5 minutes. Strain, then add a little honey and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Drink this tea 1 hour before going to bed daily. You can also prepare massage oil with 1 part chamomile oil and 2 parts olive oil. Massage your neck with this oil a few times daily. 7. Warm turmeric milk. Spiced turmeric milk. The combination of milk and turmeric will help treat sleep apnea symptoms. Milk contains the amino acid tryptophan that promotes sleep. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory property helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory system to help you breathe freely while you sleep. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of milk. Boil and allow it for a few minutes on low flame. Remove from heat and add a little honey. Drink it daily 30 minutes before going to sleep. 8. Almonds. Another simple home remedy for treating sleep apnea is almonds. Being high in magnesium, almonds promote sound sleep and muscle relaxation. They also help in regulating the body's internal clock. Eat a handful of dry roasted or soaked almonds every day. Alternatively, at least 1 hour before going to bed eat toast with almond butter, followed by a glass of water.